Miss Em? Miss Em? What do you have? What did Grandma give you? Emily? Tell me about it. You were telling me all about it a minute ago. Where are you going? Hey!
Emmy!
Oh, she's
Emmy!
She's stuck on the edge of the car.
Emmy, come on. I'm gonna get you. Emmy, I'm gonna get you.
Oh, she found a crumb or something.
I'm gonna get you. I'm
Hey!
gonna get you. Come on. Over here. Not you. I'm gonna get you. Emmy. Oh my God.
Move him.
Did you find something else?
See if you can get her to scoot this way.
Here. What you got? You got your new toys, huh? Looky, look what Emmy's got. Where'd Grandpa go? Come on. Come on, Emmy. Come on. Yay.
You were being such a jabberbox. Why aren't you talking now, huh? Oh, she totally spit.
Emmy, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna come get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Emmy. Emmy. Emmy.
Where are you going, Stinker?
I'm gonna get you. Where are you going? I'm gonna get you. You can't get her to do that turn around.
Hey, hey, hey.
Hey.